tayo ng pork. Ang ating ulam for today's video, guys. Mag-grill po tayo ng pork. Tapos sanggit po tayo ng konti. Bakit na maluto? Binigyan mo na maluto ako. Gutom na. Ayun na, ginupit-kupit ko na din siya kasi mahaba.
Ito ka?
Yeah. Luto na siya, guys. Lipat na natin siya dito sa plato. Aray ko. Talsik. Puro taba. Okay. Luto na. Dali na kumain. Kain na tayo, guys. Ito na, meron akong kanin. Ayan na yung ulam. Meron tayong lettuce and kimchi and coffee. Ang ating hapunan. Hapunan for today's video, guys. Kain na po tayo, guys.
She's another young player
Then tayo.
who made a leap
Rice.
this conference from the Farm Fresh Foxies. Our best opposite spiker is Trisha Tubu. Trisha Tubu has been Farm Fresh's most consistent scorer since joining the Foxies last year. She had 108 points in the preliminary round this conference,
Gutom na
and
ako.
she is the first Foxy ever to receive an individual award. Congratulations to Trisha Tubu for your breakout performance at this conference. And now we award the user ascent for the Gallery Tower High Risers. Our best libero, Eliza Eroa. Eroa came back to the PDL earlier this year and has proven herself as one of the best in her position. She finished the preliminary round as our best receiver and third best digger. Eroa is now the first ever high riser to be a part of the premier team.
Kanin muna tayo. Hindi ako mabubusog kapag lettuce lang.
Congratulations once again to our best libero, Eliza Eroa. Representing the Galleries Tower High Risers. Now, prior to this conference, we had our first ever rookie draft. Let's now meet
Sarap.
and name
Kimchi
our
lang,
ever
tsaka
rookie
ito, okay
of
na.
the conference.
Wala nang egg
And
sauce.
she comes
Okay
from
na
the
siya.
Zeus Coffee Thunderbells, our rookie of the conference, Sharia Ancheta. She is the first ever individual awardee from that team. Once again, congratulations to Sharia Ancheta, our rookie of the conference from the Zeus Coffee Thunderbells. Our next two awards follow the same criteria as the rest of the premier team, but factored in being a semi-finalist. Philippines, Perez was still as good as we remembered her. The Venezuelan pushed the HD Spikers all the way to the podium. One of the most exciting players, and she will go home to her hometown with a bronze medal as well. It's time now for the final member of our premier team.
Baka naman din mo nga.
MVP! Sports Conference MVP! She is from the Creamline Cool Smashers, and she is Bernadette M.V. Bonds! Finally, MV Bonds Conference Bonds held court for Creamline. She was the second best scorer among all locals this conference and was also the
Sarap
second
ng
best
kimchi.
receiver in the preliminary round. And presenting our MVP with a check for 50,000 pesos from our friends at BPI-AIA is BPI-AIA Director for Sales Bernadette Pantoja and BPI-AIA Associate
Lagi
Director
kita
for
ba?
Training Paulo Reyes.
Ubos na, ubos na. Tapos na, guys. Coffee. Hello, guys.
Pao Soriano.
Nasog ng gutom. Busog na.
Bea de Leon.
Naubos na yung
Bea
pagkain.
Bonafe. Lisa Mandapat. Rose Vargas. Tots Carlos.
10:30 na ng gabi.
Bernadette Bonds.
Ngayon lang hapunan.
Mate Galanza. Erica Staunton. And Alea Torres.
Tapos na. Bye, guys.